guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to start investing in cryptocurrency? Then this video is for you, because in this video I'll be talking about ways to start investing in cryptocurrency and getting good results on your investments. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, we start our video here on how to start investing in cryptocurrencies with probably the most logical steps here, choosing your cryptocurrency to invest in. What kind of cryptocurrency do you want to invest in? I mean, you know that there are thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but you need to have the knowledge and somehow foundation of expertise to know which one is valid, which one actually has potential, and then you need to jump in. Of course, everything has some potential risk. Of course, nothing in investment strategies or nothing in investment in general doesn't have any risk involved, but you have to be a bit smart and you need to kind of scan the market, and then you can choose wisely. So as you can see here, in the same way that you have evaluated the potential risk and financial health of a company before you buy into stock, you will want to understand carefully and evaluate different types of cryptocurrencies and the back behind these projects, or the background behind these projects, so you will understand what you're choosing and what you're investing your money in. And you have to be vetting your cryptocurrencies, and that can be more difficult because they are become so popular and so much fraud and scams out there. So you might need to be careful of the pump and dump scheme. Pump and dump scheme simply meaning that there are some fake projects just hyping the market, and then people invest in, the price skyrockets, and then all of a sudden they pull the plug and that's it. So that's a traditional or classic scheme in the cryptocurrency space. Unfortunately, it's taking part every single day. You will find a lot of scam projects, so you will need to have some time invested in actually vetting the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in, and you will need to know what kind of project you're putting your hard-earned money in before you just give it a green light and just dive deep into it. So second of all, you will need also to have a cryptocurrency exchange, which is a solid one, which is also lower in fees. I mean, cryptocurrency exchanges, generally speaking, are quite safe and they're also a good place for your money to be in, but you need to vet them properly, and you also need to see what kind of fees we're talking about. And here we can talk about Stash. Stash is a good place to start investing your money and investing in cryptocurrency and getting involved in cryptocurrency and even informing yourself more about cryptocurrency. They're having the learning platform over here. You can learn more about cryptocurrencies, you can inform yourself more, and here you will find all the information you need to get started, and you can go through the whole project and understand what's going on here and what's the background behind this ambitious project, and then you can start making good daily investment in crypto or monthly investment, and you can have good return on your investment, and this can be the good way to start investing. Of course, you know, as you want to get into crypto, you will have to use a median or a middleman. That can be the crypto exchange to transfer your fiat money or fiat currency or real money into cryptocurrency, virtual currency, and this can be done through exchanges. And here Stash is offering you the best fees out there, or one of the best fees out there in the market, so you can start using it with confidence, and you can have just an easy start signing up, picking the plan, and opening a personal portfolio and activate crypto. That's as easy as it gets, and that's quite simple here. So I would encourage you to check the link down below, see what's going on, inform yourself more, and understand what they're all about. You will find that it's quite simple and easy to understand, and how things are going with crypto exchanges are usually straightforward, and there is not really much to be explained here, but you will also need to invest some more time and effort into understanding which cryptocurrency exchange you want to use and what's the best fee offer for you as an investor. Then we can go to step 3, which is also considering the storage and digital wallets or hard wallets or paper wallets, or even memorizing your wallet keys. So many approaches here within this area, but after you buy your crypto, you will need to store them somewhere. Some people tend to just leave their crypto on the crypto exchange. Well, I would say, depending on, of course, your financial investment and financial strengths, you can, for the sake of ease, leave some amount of money in the crypto exchange. Of course, just in case if things go down, then you want to buy at a cheaper price, of course you can leave some bucks there. But generally speaking, if you invest some money, you need to store your cryptocurrency in a safe place, and this has to be either a hard wallet or a paper-based wallet or an offline wallet, or even memorizing that yourself or storing that somewhere. So you will need to invest some more effort and time to choose your best appropriate way of storing your cryptocurrency and just taking it away from the cryptocurrency exchange just for the sake of your personal safety and your personal security for your funds and for your investment. So you can just have it as a cold wallet or a hot wallet or a mobile application wallet. You can choose from many things. Cold wallet is a physical storage device such as a USB device that keeps your cryptocurrency keys completely offline and generally more secure. But of course, some people also, for the sake of ease of use, they can tend to go all the way and store their wallets on mobile applications or different form of storages, or as I told you, they're just leaving it on the cryptocurrency exchange. I mean, that's your call here, that's your money, you choose how to store it, but generally speaking, you need to invest some more amount of time to understand what's the best option for you. But generally speaking, the offline option or the cold wallet, that can be the best out there and the most secure. Then you need to manage your investment. Managing your investment here, that can be quite tricky, and you will need to understand what's going on in your investment. It's not really wise for you to invest in cryptocurrency and leave it sitting there without moving it. If the market is going down, it doesn't make sense at all to leave your currencies at a certain price and just leave them going down and down and down. No, it's a good time to get out of the market and wait until we reach the bottom, and then you reinvest again. So that's when stash also comes in handy over here. You can have diversification plans and the investing plans, and they will guide you and assist you in teaching you how to start investing. You can also invest in crypto for the longer term. As you can see, people who made a lot of money in crypto, usually speaking or generally speaking, they're just investing long term, meaning that they are not looking for immediate profits monthly or even yearly. They're looking like 2, 3, 4, 5 years ahead in the future to make some good profits. So investing in the future, that can be good. And here Stash is here to help. They are having a lot of models here, and you need to inform yourself more. Everything's linked down below in the description, and it has a solid investment portfolio, and you can learn a lot from that. But managing and understanding how to manage your crypto investment, that's a key and a paramount aspect of your successful investment in crypto. And it will be a good start for you actually to gain more confidence in crypto once you see that you're actually making more money on the longer run. Then whenever the market is going into a bear market, which is eventually going to happen, I mean, sooner or later we will have ups and downs. That's normal. That's happening every single cycle in the cryptocurrency space. But you will need to understand when to get out, when to get in, when to start reinvesting more, when to start taking profits. So you will need to adapt here, and you will need to carefully manage your investments. So that's simply speaking how to start investing in crypto and how to kickstart your first crypto investment with ease. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about how to invest in cryptocurrency. I would highly encourage you to seek more information, inform yourself more, gather more information, and things are starting to move in the market, and things are picking up. So it can be a golden opportunity for you to start considering investing in cryptocurrency, and what a time it is to start actually moving your money into the crypto space and checking the links down below. Inform yourself more, get familiar with the topic, and then you can make the right decisions. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below. And till next one, bye bye.